How it all works out. Heat doesn't affect everything we're going to be making today. Heat affects butter, heat affects the cream and dander, okay? So we'll see how we go. We should all work out. Keep everything nice. Pure cream. Okay, we've got our butter churn just out here. Righto, so, you know, no matter this whole valley here, it was all one big station originally. Okay, so it was originally called Maryvale Station, this whole valley. Screwed to their kitchen bench. Okay, and turning the handles were all the kids' jobs. Righto, so even if you're still, like, you know, for the start, everyone still had a house cow. Okay, you had to milk that cow twice a day. Okay, so you milk your cow and you go into this little machine here. Now this is a separator. Okay, your milk goes straight into your vat just here. You turn your little tap on here. Okay, inside this little cylinder here is a lot of cups just like this. Okay, very close together. Now this handle here is very, very hard to turn. Okay, after you get it going, you want about 60 revolutions a second. Okay, you know it's still very hard to turn. You're not the quickest. Okay, and then that's what spins all these inside of here. Alright. At this top funnel here will come skim milk. At this bottom funnel will come pure cream. Okay, cream is heavier than your skim milk. Cream will seep down. Your skim milk will come at the top end here. You'd either have a cream can, just like this. Cream is a big deal. Okay, cream is one of the main products you get from your milk. Okay, and you sell it. Right. Or if you only had just one house cow, you just have a little. Alright, so I want you to get it going. You get ready to go for it. Go. As quick as you can. Don't worry about it. Alright, good work. Next. Keep going. You're right, go for it. You can go faster, then you can come on. Alright, good work. Who's next? Who's next? Go as quick as you can. Okay, this?
Yeah, whipped cream's with this. Wait, that's whipped cream. Put it upside down. Whipped so it doesn't fall down. Ah.
Righto.
I want to taste it.
Keep going. What I'm doing now is I'm just getting this butter to actually clump together. Full cream, not full cream milk, just pure cream.
That is butter. 엄마 여기 와.
Righto, so I'm just getting it all off the sides and I just want it to clump together nicely in a big ball. Try to put this down here. Okay. Now what I have is a big ball of butter. Righto, so since it's a bit hot today, this has only just gone to butter. Okay, it still doesn't have quite that very bright yellow colour. Right. Righto. All good cooks know measurements are very, very important. Okay? So what I'll quickly do is I'll just carefully measure this buttermilk in. Okay? And we've got some just normal milk. So damper is a very basic mix, self-raising flour and milk. Okay, you don't even have to use milk. Okay, on big days, damper was originally used for big stations on mustering. Okay, they go out 3-4 days mustering, right? Okay. So flour and water is what they made their damper with. So you know, 3 days out mustering, you pull up, set your swags out, okay, make a little bit of damper, they'd make Billy tea, okay, and that was that. Now what they had to do is you had to make enough tea to last you the whole day, okay, and you'd get cold, but you'd still drink it and keep you hydrated. Right? If you didn't do that, 40-degree days, you'll get heat through. Righto, and no matter how you make the damper, you have to knead it. Okay, kneading your damper is a very important part. Okay. Righto. So what I do now is I just put a bit of flour on the outside of the bowl, just so it doesn't stick too much. Okay, but it's pretty good, it's not very sticky. So what I'll do is I'll break off a little ball just like this. Okay. I'll just roll that up like that, just like that. Okay. And what I do is I have some sticks. Righto. Okay. Then you grab your stick, work your way down. Okay. These will actually be able to see those lines. Okay. So you can see, otherwise you'll get a Bestbrook brand. It'll be very hot and it will hurt. Okay, so stay away from this. Hold the end of it after it's cooked. Either come to me or Ryan, we can actually pull it off the stick for you, or just let it cool down and you guys can pull it off, okay? Oh no. Can you just go to that end room there and just grab me? You know, I put this over like this, okay? And I start from the outside. Well, that's pretty good. Yep.
How long does that take to cook?
This took us about 3 hours.
Wow.
Okay. So depending on how hot, cold, whatever your coals are, that's how long it's going to take to cook. You want even coals top and bottom. This one we've had a little hotter coals in the bottom. The bottom is a bit different colour, it's gone sort of brownish, okay? Not quite golden brown. Right, those sticks, pull them out. Okay. I reckon this is the quietest Billy Tea and damper show I've had in a while.
No, Joe. If you catch it, you can keep it. Can you go over there?
Where? No, if they're running around the end, yeah.
In a cow's ear, they have 2 nerves and veins going through it. They split apart just about as wide as my fingers. Okay. This ear tag goes through just between those nerves. Okay. It has to be done very precisely. Otherwise, if you hit those nerves, you end up with a cow with a very floppy ear. Okay. It doesn't really matter. You know. You want to be able to. You want to know you're looking after your livestock properly. Okay. This ear. These are electronic ear tags. Okay. So it's got a little bump just here. That means after it's issued to our livestock, they have to stay here for 28 days before they can be sold.